If you're the kind of person who loves a good paradigm shifting aha moment and you're always trying to move these abstract ideas into practical daily life, you are in the right place.
We're going to be diving into a book called The Cross-Shaped Life, Identity, Formation, and Mission in Union with Christ. It's by Femi and Kunle Finojo. Reckoning is not pretending. It's the conscious, repetitive alignment of your perceived reality with actual reality. Think about it. If you conceptualize yourself as just a forgiven sinner, your daily life is going to be defined by your past mistakes and your recurring struggles.
Because you're still identifying with the struggle.
Exactly. You're going to constantly try to improve an old self that the text says doesn't even exist anymore.
It's like waking up with $10 million in the bank, but still living in a panic about buying generic brand cereal because your brain just hasn't reckoned with the new reality of your bank account. Like, the money is there, but your anxiety is still running the old poverty operating system.
And holding on to that old identity creates this exhausting contradiction. Conceptually, you know you're forgiven, but functionally, you're living in the past. Reckoning is the act of training your mind to operate from an established victory rather than constantly fighting to achieve one. It's a complete identity shift.